Hello and welcome to another edition of TapRooT Academy. Today we're going to be looking at optional techniques, and more specifically we're going to be looking at change analysis and the root cause tree in the optional techniques. So first we'll start with the change analysis here, and we'll go ahead and open up my pump factors that I've already created. And change analysis allows you to add performance factors and then evaluate those performance factors to see if they worked correctly or there were issues during the incident. So here we're examining the cooling intake, and proper performance says that this provides adequate water to keep the pump at a stable temperature. Or during our incident performance, we realized that the water was blocked from reaching the pump. We're going to go ahead and add this as a condition to our snap chart, and you'll notice on the left side here in the drop zone it'll appear. We'll go ahead and take that condition and drag it onto our snap chart where we need to, and then we can connect it to one of our events and tell us that this condition happened and help us build out our snap chart. The next optional technique we'll look at is the root cause tree. We'll go ahead and hit the green plus to open it, and you'll notice the whole root cause tree will open. And this really helps us build out our questions we need to ask so that we can figure out the information that is important for us to reach our root causes and determine what happened during this investigation. You'll notice that all the 15 questions are here, and if you want to add any of those 15 questions, you can just click on this little blue button to add this condition to your snap chart. It will tell you that it's been added, and you'll see it show up on the left side in the drop zone. You can then take that question and put it on there and say, should an independent quality control check have caught the problem? And this is a question we need to ask when we go out and do our interviewing and do our investigating at the scene and figure out what the answer to this question was. And then we can come back into our snap chart and update this and say, an independent quality test missed this equipment failure by not running a proper cooling test. And now we can maybe even mark this as a causal factor, as if this issue hadn't occurred, the incident may have never reached that point, and we can go on from our investigation from there. Well, that's all we have time for today. Those are some of the optional techniques in our snap chart in the TapRooT 6 software. I hope you guys had a great time, and reach out to us if you have any further questions. And remember, just because it's technical doesn't mean it has to be difficult. Thanks, and have a great day.